Hello students. So in our last videos we have discussed about the pair of the linear equation in two variables, and we have discussed the graph, how to draw the graph of linear equation in two variables, and we have discussed many questions based on linear equations in two variables. Now today we are going to proceed with the same topic, but now we are going to start with the equation of x-axis and y-axis. Now first topic is equation of x-axis and y-axis. What is the equation of x-axis and what will be the equation of y-axis? So what is the need of equation of x-axis and y-axis? Because we have studied that any pair of linear equation, the graph of any pair of linear equation is always a straight line, and as we have discussed in our coordinate geometry that x-axis is also a straight line. This is x-axis, origin, negative x-axis. It means the complete x-axis is a straight line. Similarly, complete y-axis is also a straight line. It means every straight line will be represented by an equation in two variables, because every equation in two variables form a graph of a straight line. So x-axis is a straight line, y-axis is a straight line. It means we can represent this x-axis as the pair of as an equation in two variable, and similarly y-axis can be written as the equation in two variable, linear equation in two variable. So what will be the linear equation of x-axis? I am going to discuss about that. So as we all know that on x-axis, if we consider any point, any coordinate, suppose we consider this point, it is 1. So it is 1, 0, because on x-axis we have discussed in coordinate geometry that every point on x-axis is represented as x, 0. Every point on x-axis is represented as x, 0, because on x-axis y coordinate is always 0. Similarly, on y-axis, suppose if we consider this point is 0, 1. So on y coordinate, every point is represented as 0, y. The ordered pair is of the form 0, y, and on x-axis the ordered pair is of the form x, 0. We have discussed about this thing, or all these things in coordinate geometry also. So in every point on x-axis is always, y coordinate of every point on x-axis is always 0, and x coordinate of every point on y-axis is always 0. So what will be the equation of x-axis? So if you talk about equation of x-axis, then it is given by y equal to 0. This is the equation of x-axis, because x coordinate is continuously changing but y coordinate is always 0. So the equation will be written by this form, y equal to 0. Okay, so this is the general form of equation of x-axis, which is y equal to 0. Similarly, equation of y-axis is given by x equal to 0, because on y-axis every point of x coordinate is always 0. So equation of y-axis is given by x equal to 0. Okay, so if we convert these two equation in linear equation in two variables, so first equation can be written as, it is y equal to 0. So we can write here 0x plus y is equal to 0. This is the linear equation of x-axis in two variables, which can be simply written as y equal to 0. Because if we draw the table, if we form a table of x and y, of x versus y, so if you take any value of x, if you take x equal to 0, then y equal to 0. If x equal to 1, then y equal to 0. If x equal to 2, then y equal to 0. X equal to 3, then y equal to 0. X equal to -1, y equal to 0. For every value of x, y is always 0. Okay, that's why we have written equation of x-axis as y equal to 0, which can be written in two variables. This is the general form, simple form, and this is in two variables. If we write the equation of x-axis in two variables, then it will be 0x plus y equal to 0, but simply we can write it as y equal to 0. Similarly, equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. If you write it in two variables, So if you write it in two variables, it is written as x equal to 0. So you can write it as x plus 0 y equal to 0. And if you form a table, now if you find the table for x and y, then for every value of y, x will be equal to 0. If we take y equal to 0, then x equal to 0. If we take y equal to 1, then x equal to 0. If we take y equal to 2, then x equal to 0. Y equal to minus 1, then x equal to 0. So this is the equation of y-axis in two variables, and this is the simple form. It can be written as x equal to 0. So these two equations are very important. Equation of x-axis and equation of y-axis. For x-axis, it is y equal to 0, and for y-axis, it is x equal to 0. These are the equations of x-axis and y-axis. So note it down. These are very important. Now, second type of equation is, if we talk about equation of any line which is parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis, then what will be the equation of those lines? Next topic is equation of line parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Equation of line parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. So for it, let us take an example. We have given this coordinate axis, x, origin, x dash, y, and this is y dash. This is origin 0, 0. Let us consider the point 1, 2, 3, and 4. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Now, if we are going to discuss equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis, to any equation parallel to x-axis. So first, let us draw a line which is parallel to x-axis from any point. Suppose we have drawn a line from this point 2, from y equal to 2. If I draw a line which is parallel to x-axis, this is a line which is parallel to x-axis, and we have to find the equation of this line. We have to find the equation of this line which is parallel to x-axis. Then what will be the equation of this line? So if we consider, if we find the coordinates of all the point on this line. So what is this coordinate? This is 0, 2. This coordinate, this point. This is 0, 2. Now if we take the distance of this particular line from x-axis, it is always 2. Because we know that the distance, the perpendicular distance from x-axis is the y coordinate. So this y coordinate is 2, and this is a parallel line. So distance will be constant at every instant. At every point, this distance will be constant. So what will be the coordinate of this point? This point will be 1, 2. Similarly, this point will be 2, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. Similarly, this point will be, this is 3, 2, and so on. On the negative axis also, it will be minus 1, 2. Then it will be minus 2, 2, and so on. So these will be the ordered pair or the coordinates of point on this particular line. Okay. Now we have given the ordered pair. We have find out the ordered pair of this particular line which is parallel to x-axis. Okay. Now if we put the ordered pair in table, let us first draw the table. If we draw the table of x and y, So the first ordered pair is 0, 2. It means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Then second ordered pair is 1, 2. It means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Then third is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. X is equal to -1, y is equal to 2. And x is equal to -2. Then also y is equal to 2. It means we can say on this complete line, the value of x coordinate is continuously changing, but the value of y coordinate is constant. Okay, so what does it mean? Means we are changing the values of x, but y doesn't change. It means y is always constant, y is equal to 2. Like we have to write the equation of x-axis. At x-axis also y is equal to 0. 0 is a constant value, and we can take different values of x, but y will always be 0 on x-axis. Similarly, on this particular line, we have taken different values of x, but y is always constant. So y is equal to 2. This will be the equation of this line. It means this line can be written as y is equal to 2. Okay, it means 2 is the distance of this line from x-axis. If it is +2, positive x-axis, then it will be y equal to 2. Suppose we have taken another line which is parallel to x-axis at a distance of -3. Then what will be the equation of this line? The equation of this line will be y is equal to -3. Means if any line is there which is parallel to x-axis on positive side, that is on positive y-axis, then the equation of that particular line will be y is equal to that point from which the line is passing. So at this point, the line is passing from point 2, so the equation will be y equal to 2. If line passes from 3, suppose we have considered this line, then what will be the equation of this line? It will be y equal to 3. If the equation passes from negative y-axis parallel to x-axis, then if it passes from -3, then the equation will be y equal to -3. If the line passes from -2, then the equation will be y is equal to -2. It means in general we can say the equation of line parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equal to constant. Y is equal to constant. Let us consider the y is equal to constant. Simply, what y is equal to constant? What is this constant? This constant we can take as y is equal to a. Suppose this constant is a, where a is the distance of point from x-axis. Whatever is the distance, that point is a. If it is positive, then we will take it a as positive. If it is on negative x-axis, then we will take a with a negative sign. Clear? So this is the equation. This is a general form of equation which is parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to a. A means any number, it may be positive or negative, from where the line is passing and which is parallel to x-axis. So this will be the equation of line. Got it? So any equation which is parallel to x-axis is given by y is equal to constant. Note it down, draw the figure also so that you may remember it. If you want to convert this equation in two variables, because it is in one variable, so if we write this equation in two variables, then we can convert in two variables also, like we have converted the equation of x-axis and y-axis in two variables. So if we want to convert this equation in two variables, we can write it as, in two variables, it can be written as, because there is no x, so we can write it as 0x plus y is equal to 2. If the line is passing from 2, or in general we can write it as 0x plus y is equal to a, where a may be any number from where the line is passing, either it may be positive y-axis or maybe negative y-axis. You can compare it from there. If you are putting x equal to 0, then y will be equal to 2. At x equal to 1, y will be equal to 2. At x equal to 2, y equal to 2. At x equal to 3, y will be equal to 2, and so on. Whatever value you put for x, you will always get y is equal to 2. That's why the equation of line which is parallel to x-axis is y equal to 2 for if it is passing from 2, and we can write it as y equal to a simply, where a means the point from where the line is passing, maybe positive or maybe negative. So this is the equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis. Now we are coming to the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis. So again, let us take another example. Any line which is parallel to y-axis. So again, let us consider this is our coordinate axis, x-axis. This is negative x-axis, origin, y-axis, and negative y-axis. This is point 1, 2, 3, and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now let us consider a line which is parallel to y-axis. So any line which is parallel to y-axis, let us consider the line is passing from 3 and which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, this is a line which is passing from 3 and it is parallel to y-axis. Both the lines are parallel. So now if we consider the ordered pair on this particular line, if we consider the coordinates of, or if we find out the coordinates of this line, then what will be the coordinates? The coordinate of this point will be 3, 0. If you consider the coordinate of this point, because this is a parallel line, so all the points will be at an equal distance from y-axis. The perpendicular distance will be constant. So if you find the coordinate of this point, then it will be 3, 1. If you find the coordinate of this point, this will be 3, 2. Similarly, if you find the coordinate of this point, it will be 3, minus 1. Then the coordinate of this point will be 3, minus 2. Then 3, minus 3, and so on. Here it will be 3, 3 plus 3, 3. So these will be the ordered pair or the coordinates of this particular line. Now if you again form the table of this particular line, x versus y, then what will happen? X and y. Now as we know, on y-axis, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate continuously changes. So on a line which is parallel to y-axis, the x coordinate will be fixed and y coordinate will continuously change. You can see all the ordered pair. The value of x is constant, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and the y coordinate is continuously changing. So if we put the value of x as 3, then y will be equal to 0. Then if we put y equal to 1, then it is 3. Y equal to 3, it is 3. Y equal to 3, 3. Minus 1, 3. Minus 2, 3. And minus 3, 3. So we can see the table, the value of y is continuously changing, but the value of x is constant. So it is like the equation of y-axis. On the equation, we have discussed the equation of y-axis. On y-axis, x is equal to 0, which is constant. Y continuously changes. So in this equation, in this graph also, or in this table also, the y is continuously changing, but the x is constant. It is not 0, but it is equal to 3. So we can write the equation of this line as x is equal to 3 in one variable. Or for two variable, we can write it as x plus 0 y is equal to 3. Because if we take any value of y, we can check here. If you put y equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. Y equal to 1, x equal to 3. Y equal to 2, then x equal to 3. Y equal to 3, then also x equal to 3. If you put y equal to minus 1, then also x will be equal to 3. If you put y equal to minus 2, then also x will be equal to 3. So this will be the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so it is x equal to 3. It means in general, we can write the equation of a line, parallel to y-axis is given by, equation of a line parallel to y-axis is given by x is equal to constant, because here x is equal to constant. Constant may be any number, so we can write as x is equal to b, where b can be any value, where b is equal to distance of line from y-axis. At what distance the line is passing from the y-axis, that is the point B. So if it is on positive y-axis, then the distance is plus 3. Suppose if we consider another line which is passing from -2, so the equation of this line is x is equal to 3. Equation of this line is x is equal to 3. Similarly, equation of this line, it will be equal to x equals to -2. Equation of this line which is passing from -2 and is parallel to y-axis, then the equation of this line will be x is equal to -2. So in this way, you can find the equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis as well as parallel to y-axis. So we have discussed about the equation of x-axis, equation of y-axis, then equation of any line which is parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Now let us solve some questions based on these concepts. Generally the questions of 1 marks and 2 marks are asked from this topic. Equation of line parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, equation of x-axis and equation of y-axis. The questions are asked of 1 marks and 2 marks generally. Let us solve the first question. We are given solve the equation x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 2 is equal to x minus 4. Solve the equation 3x plus 2 is equal to x minus 4 and represent the solution on number line. On first part is number line. Represent the solution on number line, and second part is on Cartesian plane. On Cartesian plane. Okay, so let us solve this question. First we have to solve the equation. So you all know how to solve the equation. What will be the equation? It is given 3x plus 2 is equal to x minus 4. So it will be 2x is equal to minus 6, or x will be equal to minus 3. Okay, so the value of x is coming out to be minus 3. Now you have to represent this solution, the value of x equal to minus 3, on number line as well as on Cartesian plane. So you all have studied about number line. So if you want to represent this number on number line, so this is our number line 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So we have to represent x is equal to minus 3. So this point x is equal to minus 3, this will be the point which is x is equal to minus 3. So it is represented on number line. Now second, you have to represent same solution on the Cartesian system, Cartesian plane. So this is x-axis, negative x-axis, y-axis, origin and negative y-axis. So we all have studied just before this question that any equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis is given by y is equal to constant, and equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis is given by x is equal to constant. Now you can see here the equation is x is equal to constant. -3 is a constant number. It means this equation will represent a line. The line will be parallel to which axis? The line will be parallel to y-axis. Okay, we have discussed just before this question. Any equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis is given by x is equal to constant. So we have got x is equal to constant. It means the equation, the line of this particular equation will pass from a point -3. So it will be -1, -2 and -3, and it will be parallel to y-axis. So this is the graph of equation x is equal to -3. You need not to draw any table, anything. You have to learn, you have to remember only the concept that any equation which is parallel to y-axis is given by x is equal to constant. The number is -3, so the line will pass from -3 and parallel to y-axis. You will simply draw the line. No need to draw the table and any other thing. You have to draw the line directly. Okay? So in this way you can solve the question based on line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Note it down. So in this way you can draw the graph of any equation. You may be given x equal to 3, x equal to 2, x equal to 3/2, any number. You have to simply find that point and draw the line parallel to x-axis or y-axis depending on the condition which is given, that the line is parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. Now coming to the next question. If we have given, write the equation of a line, write equation of a line parallel to x-axis. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis and passing through the point. First part is passing to the point. You are given point 0, -4, and second part is given passing through the point 2, -7. Okay, so we have to find the equation of lines which are parallel to x-axis and passing through this point, first part, and second part this point. So first point which is given 0, -4. Okay, it means the equation is passing from this particular point 0, -4, and it is parallel to x-axis. So if you remember, any equation, a graph of any equation which is parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis, it means line will pass like this on positive side of y-axis or on the negative side of y-axis. It may be like this or like this, but it is passing from 0, -4. So where will be 0, -4? 0, -4 will be on this side. This point can be taken as 0, -4 if we consider this point as -4, -3, -2, -1 and 0. So this point will be 0, -4, and we know the equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis is given by y is equal to constant. So equation of line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to constant. And what is the value of constant? What is the value of this constant? Y, value of y, because y is equal to constant. So we will take the coordinate of that point which is given. So the coordinate of y coordinate of that point is -4. It means equation will be y is equal to -4. So equation of the line which is parallel to x-axis and passing through 0, -4, this equation of this line will be y equals to -4. Similarly, you can find the equation of second line is passing from 2 comma minus 7 and it is parallel to x-axis again. So equation of any line parallel to x-axis is given by y is equal to constant. And what is the value of y here? Y is minus 7, it is y. So we can write y is equal to minus 7. So the equation of this line which is passing from 2 comma minus 7 and parallel to x-axis, it will be y equal to minus 7. This is the answer of second part and this is the answer of first part. Got it? So these are very simple questions, but they are generally asked for 1 marks in your examination. So note it down. Very important questions. Similarly, if it is given that write the equation of a line parallel to y-axis, and same question, and passing through the point 0 comma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 7. The question is same, points are same, but the equation of line is parallel to y-axis now. It is not parallel to x-axis. Now it is given it is parallel to y-axis. So we know equation of a line parallel to y-axis. It is given by x equal to constant. Okay. Now if we see this particular coordinate ordered pair, so the value of x in this particular ordered pair is 0. It means this equation will be, let us take this point as 1 comma minus 4. Because if we take 0, then it will be x-axis not parallel to x-axis. So we are taking the point 1 comma minus 4. Now we can solve this question. Equation of a line parallel to y-axis. It is given by x is equal to constant. And in this particular ordered pair, the value of x is 1. So we will find the equation as x is equal to 1. Equation of line parallel to y-axis, and it is parallel passing from 1 comma minus 4. So x will be constant and the value of x is given as 1. So this will be your answer. Similarly, for second part, equation of line parallel to y-axis again, and it is passing from 2 comma minus 7. So the value of x is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2 will be your answer. Okay. So in this way, you can solve the questions. Equation of line parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, equation of x-axis as well as equation of y-axis. So we have discussed all these topics today. Now from the next video, today you have to solve the questions based on this particular topic. Now in the next video, we will discuss the word problems based on linear equation in 2 variables. Okay, that will be our last topic of this chapter. So we will discuss that in detail because word problems are very important. Generally a question of 4 marks is asked from the word problem of this linear equation in 2 variables. So in the next video, we will discuss about that. Before that, you have to solve the questions based on this particular topic.